What's happening? Yeah, what's happening? What's that? That's it, you got it.
All right, what is up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of What's Happening. This is the weekly web series where I update you guys on what's going on with BurnDown and the things behind the scenes, stuff that I'm working on, all of that goodness and fun stuff. So, first and foremost, I had a blast at Zip Tie Drags. Thank you to everybody on here that came out and talked to me and said hi, got stickers. If you didn't know me and you got a sticker, now you're watching, thank you very much. All the new subscribers. I got a lot of people jumped on board here from the Zip Tie Drags video, so thank you very much. I had a blast. I ran a personal best, like almost 3 runs back to back. It was pretty crazy. And then we still had a little left in it. I bet I could have done it again just with boost alone. I think it got to like 12 pounds. I still haven't even checked the last log that I ran, but I want to say it was like almost 12 pounds is what we were running. So I know I can go 15 on the injectors I got. We never got that far, but it clicked off at 10.3 and like 132. And I was thinking if we could just get a high 10, that's cool. I got a 10-second car. It's street drivable. I'm happy with that. Well, to click off a low 10, and you're like, man, I'm 3/10 away from a 9. That is very cool, especially with the setup that I have. So, quick rundown. It's a 5.3, completely stock bottom end. Didn't take anything apart. I got it for $100 off an Instagram follower named Sickler66. So if you're watching, thanks again, man. That's your motor still doing work. Sloppy Stage 2 cam. I've got some 660 springs in it. I've got a GT45 turbo, some Deca 80-pound injectors, a home-built power glide, and then a home-built Ford 9-inch. And it's doing work. I couldn't be more proud or happy. Speaking of that, with the help and the reason that I've gotten that far with turbo LSs and all that stuff, a big shout out and thank you again to Matt Happel of Sock Mechanics, who also sent me an awesome care package. I don't know if you guys watched me open that or not. So I was expecting the throttle body because we talked about it and it was pink, and he's like, I'm not going to use this thing. You know, if you can use it, I'll send it out. And I was like, yeah, send it, you know. Well, then they sent me like soda, and they sent my son some Hot Wheels and lots of cool stuff and stickers. So that was really cool. So I was really excited about that. And then I did the video on the War Performance throttle body, which is on my car now. So that thing is running great. And I'd really like to go take it out with one little small issue. That is time. I am so out of time. Right now, it's not even funny. The looming deadline, we can just start talking about the deadline, and the pressure is on because LS Fest West is around the corner, and I told everybody that I'm going to have a twin-turbo Twinnebego this year at LS Fest West. Well, I haven't touched it, and I figured as soon as I went to Zip Tie, I'd put all my effort into my car. When I got back, it was all Twinnebego till we went to LS Fest West. Well, we got back, and all I've done so far technically is I moved it out so we could do a photo shoot with it, which was important because we need before and after. So my buddy came over, we took a few pictures, and then tomorrow I will push it back. I washed it too, so that helps. But we'll push it back where it's going to be. I've got 3 or 4 other people coming over to help me. So we're going to rip the drivetrain out and hopefully land some LS block in there with the 480 transmission I got at the junkyard. So if I can get those set into place, then it's all downhill after that. Obviously, I still have plenty to figure out, but a quick rundown on the Twinnebego. It's a 1972 Winnebago Indian. It's 22 feet. It's on a D200 Dodge chassis, which is a 1.5-ton truck chassis, essentially. And I'm going to put in a 6-liter with a 480 overdrive transmission, twin turbos, Holley management, and then yeah, we're going to try to update the brakes with a Hydro Boost setup, which I still have to kind of look into, but we'll do Hydro Boost brakes. And then I think after that, then it's all the fun stuff. So as far as the wish list, I'd like to paint it white. I'd like to do gold accents for all of the graphics on the thing. I would like to black out probably all the trim pieces, bumpers, grille, all that stuff. And what else? If I can, I'm going to lower it a little bit, but we will see, because I don't want it to be detrimental to being able to change a tire. Like if I get a flat somewhere, I don't want to be screwed because I lowered it like an idiot. Granted though, if I could put maybe helper airbags or something to bring it back up. I don't know. We'll kind of get there. That's kind of an after the fact thing. And then I want to do the trucker visor like the Ring Brothers did on theirs. I will make a custom one of those. My father-in-law is going to help me with that. So we'll design that, and we'll put the trucker eyebrow on it, polished stainless. And then that's it. Little odds and ends. My father-in-law and my wife are in charge of the inside, so my job is to make it run and drive, safe for the family and the other people on the road. And then after that, we got to make it look as cool as we can. And then we're going to get in that thing and drive it to Vegas and have a hell of a time. So I will try to take the Malibu out if I can. This channel is pretty much going to be just locked into Twinnebego shenanigans, which is probably boring for most of you in the beginning. But once that thing fires up, sounds like a race car, it'll get fun again. And then if I can put my car behind the Twinnebego, now we're really partying, because then I can bring that thing out to different events further away and just bring the whole white trash spectacle with me. It's going to be great. I'm really looking forward to it. But yeah, I am pressed every second from here on out needs to be on that thing, because I really do want to make it. I'm going to try my damnedest come hell or high water to get that thing from here to LS Fest West. And I want to pull through the gate under its own power and park that thing there. And I want to see all you guys out there. So I'm looking forward to it. I hope you guys are looking forward to it. The package from Matt Happel was awesome. The zip tie drags were awesome. So now we're going to slow the channel down a little bit and then just get back to hardcore wrenching on the Twinnebego. But when the dust settles on that, we're going to have some cool stuff. And actually, I'll have a Winnebago and we'll have a car. So we'll have lots of content, lots of options to go and do things, a little place to stay, to bring my family. So I'm very much so looking forward to it. And on a quick side note, I think I told you guys before, I'll tell you again on here, but I think at least one company for sure that is going to be involved with the Twinnebego. I sent a wish list off to the North Pole. If they send me items back, we will start name dropping and showing you guys what they sent in. And I have a feeling that if they follow through on what they said, that you're going to start seeing some other people kind of jump on board, which is great, but it's also scary because I don't want to let anybody down. I don't even want to let you guys down saying I'm going to have it at an event, let alone having companies, invest in my idea. So, Goonies never say die. We're going to get that thing done. We're bringing it to LS Fest West, and if stuff on here even has to slow down because that's chewing up all my time, that's what we'll do. If I got to kind of just quick blog it and I can't sit and really film it to the max, it is what it is. But I'm going to try to bring it to you guys, cover as much as I can, get you involved so you can kind of stay up to date with it. You can also check in on Instagram too, because I'm on there, which is a lot easier to make videos there. But as far as things go, every Tuesday we're still dropping videos for now, and then I'll try to put more in as I can and see fit. So that is it. If you guys have any questions on any of this stuff, the Twinnebego, how the zip tie drags went, the War Performance throttle body, how I like that thing. I don't know. Any question under the sun, you guys let me know. Anything you might have on any of the stuff we're doing on the channel, please feel free to leave a comment here, and I will do my best to get back to you guys and answer it. But yeah, we've been on a roll. I'm going to have a lot of fun. Now it's time, unfortunately, well, it's still fun, but we got to get back to work. I'm out.